welcome to Borail News. Hills Highway await repairs by the NHAI. Even after 8 years of construction work, roads between Lumding to Silchar, also known as 54 East-West Corridor, remained in the most deplorable condition. National Highway Authority of India (NHAI) has not been able to make the road movable for even a small vehicle, and leave alone calling it a national highway. To be mentioned on 13th April in a meeting held at District Commissioner's Office by DC Amitabh Raj Khoa, where NHAI's Guwahati RO General Manager Sushil Kumar Verma and PIU Project Director Karge Kamki and leaders of the student bodies were also present. During the meeting, GM Verma assured the DC and student bodies that an emergency step will be taken to renovate the Jatinga-Haringajau highway by 14th April with cost of 4 crores, but no steps have been taken till date. In the year 2011, a construction firm JKM Infra was engaged by NHAI for the construction of Jatinga-Haringajau National Highway. After working for 5 years despite completing the work, the company JKM took crores of rupees by providing fake bills and documents. However, the NHAI suspended and blacklisted JKM from work and remanded all their machineries. The NHAI also filed a case with Delhi High Court for providing fake bills and documents and non-completion of works. At the time, the companies working in the Hill District had a common excuse of extremist problems, and after that they gave excuses of environmental issues. People have alleged that the Contractor Association and NHAI is carrying out a big corruption, as a result of which the so-called highway between Jatinga and Haringajau has turned into a terrific highway. Some local bikers also term it as highway to hell. Sources also said that the NHAI officials received expensive vehicles from the contractors to back construction works in the Hill District. In 2017, Silchar-based Lakshmi Motors was awarded the contract by National Highway Authority of India for improvement of 25 km stretch Jatinga-Haringajau road of the National Highway at an estimated cost of rupees 1.92 crore. However, the construction firm has not improved the road stretch according to the estimates. As a result, the road stretch was washed away by rainwater on 5th May 2018. The villagers of Dolaichunga village, that is, along National Highway near Haringajau, suggested the construction group to use at least 10 culverts during the construction of the bridge near the village, depending on the soil condition. But the firm did not pay any heed to their suggestions and used only 4 culverts for construction of the bridge. This has resulted in waterlogging in the village, damaging properties to the tune of rupees 7 lakhs of the villagers. Mention to be made here, in monsoon season of 2017, a newborn child of Haringajau who was referred to Haflong Civil Hospital reportedly died on the way, as hundreds of vehicles remained stranded on the path and could not move backward or forward.
बारे में थोड़ा पूछेगा। आप क्या बोल रहे हैं ये रास्ता के बारे में?
ये रास्ता तो बहुत ही ख़राब है अभी, जहाँ पैसेंजर लोग को जाने के आने का खराब बहुत तकलीफ हो रहा है, और साथ ही गाड़ी सब भी सब खराब हो जाता है, इसलिए बहुत तकलीफ हो रहा है। रास्ता तो बनाना लगता है।
आप क्या बोलेंगे?
वो तो बनाना तो लगता है हम लोग को, वही सरकार बनाएगा तो अच्छा होता रहा।
अभी का
डेवलप तो ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ, लेकिन वो लोग बोल रहे तो बनाने से अच्छा होता रहा, अच्छा होना लगता है।
लेकिन ये कैसा है?
ये तो बहुत ही ख़राब है अभी, जैसे नदी के जैसा पानी बह रहा है इधर में, तो क्या बोलेगा वही।
आपको
ज़्यादा नहीं, 10 दिन 20 दिन, उसके बाद फिर बनाने लगता है।
अच्छा, आप बोल पाए बोलोगे?
নাই মই ক'ব
ৰাস্তাটো কেনেকুৱা আছে?
বৰষুণ হৈছে তো প্ৰব্লেম হ'বই, বৰষুণ হৈছে কণ্টিনিউ চব প্ৰব্লেম হ'বই। এতিয়া এন চি চি তেনেকুৱাই হয়, বৰষুণ হ'লেতো প্ৰব্লেম হ'বই, এনেকুৱা নহয়। নেশ্যনেল হাইৱেটো এন চি চিৰ কাৰণে প্ৰব্লেম হৈ আছে, বাকীতো ৰাস্তা ভালেই। এইটো ৰাস্তা নহয়, এতিয়া পুখুৰীৰ নিচিনা হৈ আছে।
এইটো ৰাস্তা নহয় মানে?
এইটো ৰাস্তা নহয়, এইটো পুখুৰী হৈ আছে, বৰষুণ হোৱাৰ কাৰণে তেনেকুৱা হৈছে।
रास्ता तो देखभाल नहीं करता है तो क्या करेगा अभी हम? हाँ, वो तो जिम्मेदारी तो जो ऑफिसर लोग है वही जिम्मेदार है। सीएम ईएम है इधर का लोकल। हाँ, असम वाला तो यहाँ पे आके तो देखने नहीं चाहिएगा। यहाँ के लीडर सब है ना, वो सब तो देखना जरूरी है ना। ऐसा क्या करेगा? उपाय नहीं है, उपाय नहीं है। लीडर लोग ठीक होने से तो क्यों ठीक नहीं रहेगा रास्ता सब? नेस्ले है नहीं है, ये तो 2 लाइन हो गया है पूरा। हाँ।